What a morning! This morning I returned to Richmond Park in the centre of London to chase the deers during this season, which is end of September by now. And what a blast! Sunrise has been exceptional with some light condition which were like stunning. They had a bit of a mist and the light was coming right behind. So I was shooting facing the sun, the sunrise, through the clouds. There's no word about that. That was like brilliant. And target of this morning for me was to try to do something new which I've never done before in terms of wildlife photography, which was to try to shoot against the sun, to use the sort of silhouette of the animal to the back of the sun. Never done that before. That was the first. Just arrived, perfect timing. The sun was right in front of me, and what happened? I just saw a massive deer right in front of me on the side of the road. Today's video marks a new journey for me, wildlife photography. As a minimalist photographer, I typically immerse myself in nature or along coastline, seeking stillness and simplicity. I've always noticed the wildlife around me during these outings, and recently decided to try photographing these creatures while staying true to my artistic approach. Set it up yet because I keep moving around to get the best light right opposite the sun. I'm trying to shoot in the sun today first. I've never done that before and it seems to be working nicely. I've managed to get a stunning shot this morning right in front of the sun with a big male. I realize this video might not appear as minimalist as you are accustomed to, given the dense surrounding of my chosen location. However, this familiar setting was perfect for my first venture into wildlife photography. It's allowed me to explore a different facet of photography while enriching my skills in a way that still aligns with my artistic vision. Photographing moving subjects presented quite a challenge for someone who typically focuses on stillness. It forced me to learn new framing techniques and quickly adapt my camera settings, a significant departure from my usual methodical process. Great spot right here. There's a lot of deers right in front of me. It's an entire bench, a group, and the light has been amazing this morning. There's a big one coming towards the back of me. Hopefully it's going to come that direction. Interestingly, both disciplines share one crucial element: patience. Whether waiting for the perfect light in a landscape or the right moment with wildlife, timing is everything. There's a couple of big males around here. I'm just going to use my bag. composition remains vital, though wildlife requires a fresh perspective. I've tried to maintain my minimalist philosophy, using space and simplicity to emphasize the animal's presence, strength, and emotion. Oh, there's a beautiful one there. Let me grab it. I'm gonna get it from here. The learning curve was steep. Animals are unpredictable and move quickly, compelling me to change settings rapidly and constantly reposition for the best angle. I needed to adapt as swiftly as lightning, a stark contrast to my usual deliberate pace. Hopefully that one is nice. It's literally sitting in between a tree and the sun. Perhaps you've experienced something similar, suddenly discovering a whole new world that forces you to adapt, learn, and grow rapidly, pulling you far outside your comfort zone. I found this experience incredibly rewarding. The challenge expanded my skills and surprised me with unexpected results in terms of composition, colors, and mood. it's pushed me to reconsider my approach to minimalist photography, asking, what can I improve? What new elements might enrich my landscape work? Having such a huge park in the centre of London is a great opportunity for everyone who wants to come and visit London and then do some wildlife photography. I can only recommend to come and have a visit and then give it a go. Even as a pedestrian, it's very unique. So it's a huge park, and then for wildlife you can just enjoy the view of these animals passing through your way, because that's what they do really. They're in their territory, you're not in your territory, this is their territories, which is good. So yeah. I can suggest you to have a browse at my secondary Instagram account called Julien Carcano Studio to see more about my wildlife activity. In my upcoming videos, I'll be diving deeper into my minimalist landscape long exposure photography approach, sharing more about my process and exploring new creative challenges. So stay tuned, there's a lot more to come.